Understanding the YouTube algorithm. 6 key indicators and bonus tips for algorithm success. I can provide insights into factors that can contribute to videos receiving high view counts on YouTube. View count and engagement. The number of views a video receives, as well as the engagement it generates, likes, comments, shares, is an essential factor in determining its popularity. Videos that attract a large number of views and generate high engagement are more likely to be recommended by the YouTube algorithm. Watch time. YouTube values watch time, which refers to the total time viewers spend watching a video. Videos with longer watch times are considered more engaging and can receive preferential treatment in the algorithm. User behavior and preferences. The YouTube algorithm takes into account a user's browsing history, search patterns, and interactions on the platform to recommend videos tailored to their interests. The algorithm attempts to predict what a user is most likely to watch and engage with based on their past behavior. Video performance shortly after upload. The initial performance of a video plays a crucial role in determining its future visibility. If a video receives a high number of views, likes, and positive engagement soon after it's uploaded, the algorithm may boost its visibility to reach a wider audience. Click-through rate (CTR). CTR refers to the ratio of users who click on a video's thumbnail and title after seeing it in search results or recommendations. If a video has a compelling thumbnail and title that entices users to click, it may receive a higher CTR, which can positively impact its visibility in the algorithm. Video metadata. Optimizing video metadata, such as titles, descriptions, tags, and closed captions, with relevant keywords can help YouTube understand the content of the video. This can improve the video's chances of appearing in search results and recommendations. It's important to note that these factors are not exhaustive, and the YouTube algorithm is a complex system that takes into account numerous other variables. YouTube continually updates and refines its algorithm to improve user experience and ensure a diverse range of content is surfaced. Thumbnails also play a crucial role in attracting viewers and influencing the performance of a video. While YouTube's algorithm does not explicitly favor specific thumbnail designs, a compelling and visually appealing thumbnail can increase the likelihood of users clicking on the video. Here are some factors to consider when creating thumbnails. Bonus 1.to succeed: stick to 3 elements: bright colors against neutral colors, action or danger, and the arrow eye-catching visuals. Use high-quality and clear images or graphics that stand out and grab attention. Bright and contrasting colors, interesting visuals, and bold text can help make the thumbnail visually appealing. Relevance to the video content. The thumbnail should accurately represent the video's content and give viewers an idea of what to expect. Misleading or clickbait thumbnails can negatively impact user experience and may lead to lower engagement. Thumbnail consistency. Maintaining a consistent visual style or theme across thumbnails in a series of videos can help viewers recognize your content and build brand recognition. Bonus 2. Optimal length for perfect YouTube titles: between 40 and 60 characters. I try to use exact 44 characters. Text and titles. Adding concise and compelling text or titles to the thumbnail can provide additional context and entice viewers to click. Use large, easy-to-read fonts that are relevant to the video's topic. Thumbnail testing. Experiment with different thumbnail designs to see which ones perform better. You can analyze the click-through rate, CTR, and viewer engagement of videos with different thumbnails to determine what resonates best with your audience. Remember, while thumbnails are essential for attracting clicks, it's equally important to deliver valuable and engaging content in the video itself to maintain viewer interest and encourage them to watch and engage further. Keep titles concise, clear, and engaging. Here are a few considerations regarding title length. Concise and descriptive. A title should effectively communicate the video's topic in a concise manner. Keeping the title relatively short, around 60 characters or less, can help ensure it's fully visible in search results and recommendations. Keyword optimization. Including relevant keywords in the title can improve the video's visibility in search results. However, it's important to maintain a balance and avoid keyword stuffing, which can negatively impact the video's credibility and user experience. Compelling and engaging. Titles that pique curiosity, evoke emotions, or offer a benefit to the viewer can attract more clicks. Creating a title that sparks interest and stands out from other videos can increase the likelihood of it being viewed and shared. Branding. Consider incorporating your brand name or channel name into the title to enhance recognition and help establish a consistent identity for your content. As we come to the end of this video, I hope you found it informative and entertaining. If you enjoyed the content, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. We love hearing from you, so if you have any questions or suggestions for future topics, please leave them in the comments below. And remember, if you want to stay up to date with our latest uploads, make sure to hit that notification bell so you never miss a video. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.